Hello everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Brown, and today I got the family with me and we are at Epcot for Tommy's birthday. So I am so excited. There is the new Soarin Around America and we have never done that before, and there's a new treat in there as well. So we're gonna try and beat the heat the best we can because it is like 96 degrees today and sunny. So let's go find some air conditioning. We are heading to the land. Have to go past the Journey of Water. Okay, and we are on our way. I can see the land in the distance. We're getting closer, past the Nemo sculpture. All right, it is definitely scorching when you're in the sun, but we actually have quite a bit of shade to walk through and a nice little breeze. And now we are here, so let's go. Ooh, we made it. Okay, we made it in. We got Soarin', we got Living with the Land, and I think there is a new milkshake down there to try. 5-minute wait. All right. We can't pass up Living with the Land. This is a good way to get a little air condition break and sit.
Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicine, and the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil. One day become home. Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of them. And for your safety, please remain seated in your room at all times. Ways to produce valuable harvests now and into the future. Plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most constant catfish like the ones you see here.
There's the Mickey, made from the hose.
The sustainable. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are. These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce
Soarin' and
harvests from.
Soarin' Across America. Okay, let's go check the wait time. Ooh, 35 minutes, that's not bad. All right, here we are, Soarin' Across America. There's the new banner. Okay, we got eagles, we got Statue of Liberty. Ooh, what are we gonna see? But it's backed up to here, so we'll see what that means.
Hello, and welcome to Soarin' Across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment.
Soarin' to town. Get ready for takeoff.
Smells and our sounds. Okay, now see. It's okay. Woo, here we go. Oh, look! Oh, we're gonna fly with him. Oh, a bald eagle. Oh, look at the moose. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice. Hawaii, I bet. Oh, smell it? Oh, look at the people on the boat. Yeah, look, Hollywood! I knew we were in LA. Yeah. Oh my goodness. We're back! Hi, team! Oh, this is it. Oh, look at Mickey! We're gonna go backwards. Ready? So here's the end. Boom, boom. And there we go. Oh God, here we go. Backwards. Woo! We did it! Oh, that was so cool. I actually love the new version. That was amazing. Okay, Seasons. I believe it is down here where they have the milkshake. So it might be coming in the exit. I don't know.
Soarin Across America.
Yeah.
Are we able to get an extra marshmallow on it?
It is his birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we got toasty stuff, marshmallow. Tommy got extra marshmallow. There goes the monorail. What? Oh, duck! I didn't even see him. I was looking at the monorail. Hi, little cutie. Oh, look! Here comes more. They're all talking. Okay, so we just got out of Soarin' Across America, and that was incredible. I absolutely love the new updated version of the ride. And then we got off and tried the milkshake, and that was delicious. So that was a huge hit with everybody. So if you come for the updated Soarin', you have got to get the milkshake while you're in there too. But now we are heading over to France because that is where they have the exclusive special Joffrey's coffee for the coffee challenge. So let's head to France, and then I will tell you more about the coffee challenge. All right, because we are heading to France for the Joffreys, we are starting opposite of the norm, and we are going by Canada first. Okay, this is the Joffreys right between Canada and the UK, and it looks like they have the drink right here. So this is the drink that I was looking for, and this is not France. This is right between Canada and UK, so let's go get this.
O coge más barato, emotional support. 74,
Thank you. Oh my goodness. It's got cereal on it. Here we go. Okay, a good cold brew, not too overly sweet. I guess I'm gonna eat some of these. Okay, that's actually really good. I don't taste anything fruity in the drink. That's not even too fruity either, but perfect. Okay, so when I got to this Joffrey's, the girl there said that you could buy this specialty drink at any of the Joffrey's in Epcot. But when I was online, I kept seeing go to the France Joffrey's. So I went between Canada and the UK, and this is the special pass holder drink. Woo! Okay, so when I bought the special pass holder coffee, this is the card that they gave me. So the goal is to go to every park and you buy the special drink for pass holders and they will stamp your card. So I just got my Epcot. So now we have to do all 3 parks and Disney Springs, but Disney Springs is where you collect your prize. So last year they were out of prizes and they had to mail it to me, but you get a koozie, so a cute little cup koozie for your coffees. But the goal is to get the special coffee by July 31st at every single location. So the hunt is on now. We have to hit all the parks ASAP. Let's stop in here and get a quick little air conditioning break. Ooh, an ear wall. Ooh, and the jewelry case. They have a little bit of teal stuff here. I've been wanting to see the new pink collection. Crocs. This is a Croc bag charm. This looks like it would fit like a child. That's pretty funny. Oh, I always like these little word projects. Oh, and I see a pen trading board. Some more colors stuff. Let's see. Hello.
The only country that we're missing is the UK, but we have all of the countries.
Yes, yes. Oh, but that one is so pretty and special. World Showcase. How much is the World Showcase one?
95.
Okay, this is not that super exciting, but they have new garbage cans. You step the pedal and it pops on open, but the cool thing is they are solar cans. So I guess they're like saving solar energy to help power Disney, but special World Showcase garbage cans. Okay, so now we are heading over to Test Track to see how long the wait is, because that's another indoor wait of a ride. But as I go by this Joffrey's right here before Mexico, I see they also are selling the drinks. So that girl must be right. They must have them at all the Joffrey's. And then you don't have to go to a special location here inside Epcot. So that's cool. Look guys, Disney Bunny. Alright, the ride is experiencing a delay and it already said 65 minutes, so I think we are going to shop now. Let's head to the gift shop. Okay, I wanted to show you my pretty bracelet. If you follow me on TikTok, you may see that I had posted about this, and it's in my TikTok shop, but it is a UV activated bracelet. So it goes plain white when we go inside, and then as I come out in the sun, the longer it's in the sun and the more direct sun it gets, the brighter the colors get on the beads. So isn't that super cute? I love it. We'll walk in and look at the pens at least real quick. Oh, some shirts. Oh, some cute Epcot shirts. Alright, we came out to the special pen area. I'm kind of looking for these little miniature princess mystery pens. So I see a pen board too though. Let's see what we can find. Trading thing.
There you go. Receive it. Baby.
Let's try for this. Alright, I also got my little fan out. If you're coming to Disney in the summer, you have to have a fan. It is like a necessity. But I found this super cute little one on the TikTok shop, and you can clip it to your bag and then you just walk around. I can feel it blow me right now. So I'm super excited that I found the super tiny one because it also fits in like all of my purses, which none of the other fans do. So we are heading out now. Look at that big giant beautiful ball. Yeah, I've been enjoying the TikTok shop, especially lately. I also got the super cute hot pink bag and a matching wallet and all sorts of cute bags, so super fun. Yes. I like this. All right, so we stopped at the gift shop and it is such a hot and toasty day. We are done for the day and now we are going to eat and get some cake for Tommy's birthday. So thanks for joining us on our magical adventures. See you next time real soon from Hollywood, because we have got to go ride the new Muppet coaster. Bye!